How to use keyframe animation in KineMaster. First of all, open KineMaster and create a new project or start with an existing one. Next, select a layer and tap on the keyframe icon to start adding frames. Move the timeline cursor to the point where you want to change the position, scale, or rotation of the layer. Adjust the layer's position, size, or rotation as needed. KineMaster will automatically create a keyframe at that point. Move the timeline cursor to another point and make further adjustments to create a smooth animation between keyframes. You can add multiple keyframes to create complex movements or effects. Finally, preview your animation and make any adjustments to timing or positioning. Now you know how to use keyframe animation in KineMaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.